So this is the second to last Orc Hull 7, which is Rescue 4. And we loaded this current one over here onto the truck to get ready for today's transport. We were at the factory at about 2:45, ready to roll. 3 o'clock we left. We got out there with a whole escort with police, with blue lights and all sorts of things. It was a good 2-hour trip. And we had to take quite a entertaining route to miss all bridges, power lines, all that kind of stuff to get her down to the harbour at the Two Oceans facility here.
The Orc behind us, we built it at our Paro facility. Their cycle of build doesn't suit the production pace in the Cape Town facilities. And we've progressed the build to a phase where it now needs to expand on its size. The reason we've chosen to move it now is it's on its limit of an abnormal load when it comes to moving the vessel from one facility to the other.
So now that it's got to the facility here in the harbour, we're going to be putting stuff on like the fly bridge. Shafts are going to go in, the props are going to start going on, and it's really getting to a stage of now being nearly ready for water, and we're really looking forward to putting her into the water and going through the sea trials, getting all the SAMHSA stuff done so she'll be ready for delivery to station.
Where it will then be progressed to a level that we are aimed to launch her in the beginning of 2026.